At the beginning of PIO, you are going to establish a great, safe place to park all those questions that the parents have or that you have that come up, ideas that you want to come back to that you don't want to attend to right now for where you're at, to go park them. And then to come back to them at appropriate time. The parking lot is a wonderful tool for the learners and for you when you're coaching, because it really helps you to stay on track and attend to what's supposed to happen that day in PIO and not go running down those bunny trails that are so easy, so provocative, so fun actually to do in the moment. So if let's say you're having a group discussion and the discussion is going on, but you're looking at the clock and you're realizing I'm running out of time, but you don't really want to cut learners off at the pass, you can say, let's put this on the parking lot and attend to it later on. Or maybe they're moving forward with an idea that you know you're going to be coaching more on tomorrow. Let them know, hey, next class, we're going to be going deeper into this. I love your ideas. Would somebody jot that down, put it on the parking lot? We will come back to this tomorrow. They know they're listened to, they're attended to, their questions will be answered. And also, I don't know about you, but I tend to forget things. I write down everything. And if you tell learners you're going to come back to something, it's important for them to trust you that you will do that. And it's important enough what they said, what they contributed, that you wrote it down, you had somebody write it down for them, and that you put it up there on the board. This is important. I'm not ignoring this. It's not that we don't have time. We're going to come back and attend to all of your questions. This is just not the appropriate time. So use the parking lot. It really helps to manage that clock and manage the time, and for you to get everything done that you need to get done, and for learners not to feel like they got cut off and that they can't share and that you wouldn't take the time to listen to them. So use the parking lot as much as you need it.